Dali, what? Oh, Kanto Princess, what is the meaning
Yes.
of economics?
May nga daw, marami nagtataas. Marami
Ito yan, para number one question pa lang yan.
Marami
Nagtataas ko yan.
Ma'am.
Pinagtitripan
Hindi siya nagtaas.
review ka namin.
Ako
Hindi siya nagtaas ng kamay. O, Kanto, dahil kayo.
Kanto Princess,
Ako muna
what is
una.
economics?
Tatanong ko po sa teacher namin nung fourth year. Ito muna ako kala public.
Dali, what is economics?
Teka lang.
Ayun na, ayun.
It's a social science that deals with the process of allocation and utilization of this
Medal.
ay scarce resources of the maximum of the human needs and wants.
Oh, what is the two branches of economics?
Micro and
Differentiate the two.
Differentiate?
Oo nga, differentiate the two. What is the difference between macroeconomics and microeconomics?
Bigyan ng blame. Bigyan ng blame.
And micro example.
Makaya.
Ilalagay ko sa YouTube yan.
85 ka na. Yes, nagtaasan daw kamay. O, dahil ikaw hindi.
sige. I will accept the answer in Tagalog.
Ay!
Differentiate macroeconomics and microeconomics and cite two examples.
Ang buhay ko pala. Mabuhay si Cadensyo.